Today we've had a fantastic day at the new tennis centre fitness room for the family in Caernarfon. It's been a fantastic day. There's 25 machines there suitable for disabled people who are either physically disabled, wheelchair users or visually impaired. We're very fortunate to have Matt Skelhon, Paralympic shooter, to help us with the official launch, and he's one of the biggest stars and rising stars in the world of disability sports. We've also got some really exciting activities happening in the main hall with something a bit more fancy as well, like wheelchair basketball. We hope that all these new facilities really help us as an authority to provide better facilities for people to enjoy and improve their health and well-being throughout the county. Thank you.
Hi, my name's Matt Skelhon. I'm a Paralympic gold medalist shooter. I'm here today for the sort of talent ID day that's going on behind us to get the people involved in shooting, and opened the gym this morning, which was a pleasure, and yeah, it's good to see all the equipment and stuff in there that I wish that I had to use closer to home.
This family fitness room that we have opened officially today in Gwynedd is an asset, an absolute asset. It's also an asset towards people with disability. It is one of the best, certainly in Wales, if not in Britain, as Matt Skelhon, who is disabled, testified when he opened officially the tape.